too hard to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. You guys gotta help us out with this sing-along part. Let's show them out there that ain't being here right now. And let's show them out there that we're having more fun than they are. Even though we're laughing harder. So let's try this. You guys should know the rules. I want you guys to get loud. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Alright, we sing that to you guys. Alright, let's get louder though. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Scream. That was better. Last one, let's get really loud. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You guys having a good time? Well, let's get the good times a-rolling. Let's not Alright guys, same deal. All I need to do is fill in the blanks. When I put a mic out there, that's when you gotta fill the blanks in. Alright? Let's give this a shot. In the midnight hour, she cried. Let's get louder. With a rebel, yeah, she cried. In the midnight hour, she cried. With a rebel, yeah, she cried. Let's go! In the midnight hour, she cried more. With a rebel, yeah, she cried more. Wow! With the midnight hour, she cried more. With a rebel, yeah, she cried more. Oh yeah, little angel. She cried more. Oh yeah, little doctor. She got more. Alright. There's one thing we don't talk about when we come to these shows, and we never talk about love. Stupid, baby. Well, I got something to me. Out there, ain't talking about love. My love is starting to the core. Ain't talking about love. It's like I told you before. Yeah, before. You said my good girl ain't on the street again. You think you're really cooking, baby. You need to find yourself a friend. My girl ain't talking about love. My love is lying to the core. Ain't talking about love. It's like I told you before. Yeah, before. Ain't talking about love. My love is lying to the core. Ain't talking about love. It's like I told you before. Not before. I've been to the edge, and then I look down. You know I lost a lot of friends there, baby. I got no time to mess around. If you want to got to flag, baby. Yeah, you got to flag, baby. Yeah, you got to fly, baby. Yeah, you got to fly. I'm talking about love. My love is lying to the core. Ain't talking about love. It's like I told you before. Yeah, before. Ain't talking about love. Don't want to talk about love. Don't want to talk about love. Don't want to talk about it. Don't want to talk about it. Hey, hey, hey! All right, guys, come on. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Productions. We got me. My name is George. You call me Valentine. We got H&M on the bass. There's Sean Medina on the drums. But right now, listen to what Brandon Medina has to say on his guitar. What's up, you guys? Let's go! Don't you know she's going away with me? She's going with that, sir. And with her, come on, sing if you know it. Oh, fog coming out of the building. She's got her hand between my legs, and I just ease my seat back against her. I'm flying, right behind my rearview mirror. Got the feeling, I'm stealing. This is dropping, ain't no stopping now. Beautiful, as a special treat, I'll give you guys Uno Mas. Uno Mas. But I need someone to sing to, so who's going to be my victim of the day? We can do the old school put your foot in the middle thing. I'm immature like that. You want me to sing to you? I will right now. Get your sexy ass up on that stool. Come on, Pops, if I get that real quick so I can sing to this. Alright. Hey boys, can I get a little bit of that rain? Oh yeah. Never gonna call you in sorrow. Never to cause you a pain. Only one thing is you loving. Only want to see you laughing in that purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you underneath that purple. Wanna be your weekend love. I wanna be someone's friend. Feel still you from another. Such a shame I wish it had to rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. See you bathing in that purple. But yeah, I know, times are changing. I think the sound of so new, I think you too. You say one later, you can't say they go mine. Close, let me guide you to the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. If you guys know what I'm talking about, put your hands in the sky and wave them. Purple rain, purple rain. I will see you in that purple rain. Wagner, good night. Stick around for the haunted house. Alright guys, about 10 to 15 minutes, the haunted house will be up and running. I walked through it myself, that shit is amazing. So make sure you stick for that shit, because I will definitely be in there scaring the shit out of myself. Alright guys, those are cool. Alright guys, good night, thank you, God bless.
Yeah,